Hi, and welcome to our brief introduction on submitting a sequence to a competition. Let's jump right in. These are the things we'll cover. What a sequence should look like in your library, how to name the files on your computer, verifying the upload executed correctly, checking the sequence in the competition. Does the sequence look as we expected in step 1? How to change an image subtitle, changing the order of your images, and replacing an image. So let's take a look at the image library. And this is the menu structure. I have a few more things because I have more responsibilities, but we'll start here with my account and go to my image library. I want to do a search. We're going to search for a sequence that I know exists in my image library. And here's the sequence. This is the holder for the sequence, this image sequence here in the top row. This is created by the system. It tells the system what images belong as part of this sequence and what their order is. So you can see the name for this holder is the name of the main title for your sequence. And each of your images has this same main title, and it's identical in each of them. After the main title, there's a pair of empty square brackets, and then the subtitle for each image. And the subtitle is unique to each image. Over here on the right, you'll see these labels, Parade 1, Parade 2, Parade 4. I created these, the system did not create these. I'll show you later where to insert this information. I use it to show me what the order of the images is because the order is no longer kept in the title. So let's see what those images should look like when you upload them. So the images, as they're named on my system, will be sequence trial, which is the main title, followed by square brackets with a number in them, and the number indicates the position in the sequence, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a space, and the subtitle, Condor, Coyote, Elephant, Meerkat. So let's upload the images now. So we'll go to, oops, it has lost my competitions. Submit images to a competition. And we'll choose show and tell because show and tell accepts sequences just as journalism and nature do. So you can see I have no images entered into the competition yet, so I will upload images into the competition. I'll select the images that I want to upload, and since I've been uploading these for a while, it knows right what directory I typically upload from. So here are the file names. I want to upload all 4 of them at once so that the system can just create the sequence and be done with it. You see all 4 files are there with the main title, their sequence number, and their subtitle. This yellow dot over here on the left and the word cancel on the right indicate that it's still uploading the file. When the dot becomes green and cancel is replaced with remove, that means that file has been uploaded. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a thin blue line under the name of the file to indicate the progress in the upload. So we've uploaded all of them. We're going to save the images and proceed to the edit page. So we have 4 new images. The system created thumbnail images for us. As you can see, each of them has the title, the main title, but now the sequence number has been removed from within the brackets, and we have the subtitle. Down here, this box indicates that it knows that it's a sequence. It stuck the main title in here, and it extracted the number from within the brackets to place it here, and it did that for each of the images. Now, I showed you before on the sequence, we had parade 4. That's the author's image ID, and you can put in file 1. You could put a lot of information in here if you want. You can search on this information, but we'll just update that one for now. Other things you can do here. At this point, I can change the subtitle. So I can call it Meerkat Looking at Me. I can also change the sequence. Oh, I want the elephant to be last, and I want the meerkat to be third. Remember, if you change one, you have to change another. No two images can have the same sequence number. So now I'll save the changes and return to the original page. So this is how they'll be entered, shown in the competition. Sequence trial, 1 of 4, condor. Sequence trial 2 of 4, coyote. Sequence trial 3 of 4, meerkat looking at me. So you see that it saved the updated subtitle name, and it saved the new position of meerkat as 3 of 4, and elephant is now 4 of 4. So let's go back to my account, my image library, and see what it looks like there. So we'll look for sequence trial. And here are all the images and the new holding area that the system created. Again, it holds each of the images in their order in the sequence. You can see my author's image ID trial 1 is here. At this point, here in the image library, you can also change the subtitle. Facial expression. And you can save the changes. You can update that sequence there. If you want to change the order in which these appear, come up here to the holder of the sequence and edit it. Now you see all of our images. It tells you to click outside the image to select it. So I'll select the meerkat. Then I can grab it, hold down, push down the button and hold it. And I can drag the meerkat down to the bottom. And now the meerkat is the last image. I could also have selected the image and used the arrow keys up here to change the order of the image. It will come down and save changes to the sequence. Now, if you need to replace an image, you can do that here as well. I can go over here to Edit, and under the image box, we can select, and we could select a new image to upload to replace that image. I don't have an image to replace it, so we'll skip it. Again, here you could also change the subtitle, and you can change the author's image ID and save the updates. And you see now it says Meerkat Original, and we've updated this. So let's go back and take a look at what we learned today. A little difficulty getting it to, there we go. We learned what to expect the sequence to look like in your image library. We learned file naming to make it easier for submissions. We learned how to verify the sequence, checking it in the competition and checking it in your image library. We learned that there are many ways to change an image's subtitle. We learned how to change the order of your images, and we learned how to replace an image. It's a presentation from the Alameda Photographic Society, and thank you for watching.